What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. As y'all see the thumbnail, all right, we got a one-on-one demon. I wrapped it pink. I went super crazy with it. Pink was just a crazy color. It was outrageous. We also wrapped a Hellcat too. I'll probably show y'all that on another episode. You know what I'm saying? Another vlog. But we're gonna hop inside the demon, bro, and we're gonna go get a new tattoo because I'm getting a new tattoo. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take y'all with me. We're gonna do POVs. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do some stuff, man. I'm gonna take y'all with me today. So yeah, this is the one-on-one pink demon. To do it. All right, y'all, so here we go, you know what I'm saying, satin pink. So, yeah, I chose this color, bro, because it's crazy. Like, I never seen a demon in pink. I've seen every other color, so I took out the yellow, and I went pink. All right, so it's called, I think it's called, I can't remember the name of it. I can't remember the name of it, but it's by Hexus. I'm going to go ahead and put that up here so y'all know it. But, yeah, I can't remember the exact name, but, yeah, man, so we kept the red accents because the car is actually red underneath, man, for those of y'all, you know what I'm saying, that are new. But, yeah, red eye, you know what I'm saying, we kept that, you know what I'm saying? So, put the red eye on the demon, the red calipers, the red snorkels up front, and we even got a red supercharger. Let me see, I'll go ahead and show you. So, yeah, so we even had that powder coated by Athens Customs. He go crazy too. He did my Trackhawk calipers. He did these calipers. He did this supercharger. He did the Trackhawk supercharger. He did all of it, man. Athens Customs out there in Athens, Georgia. So yeah, he hard with it. But man, this is the design though. I feel like it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So y'all comment down low. Let me know what y'all think. Is it too outrageous? Is it perfect? Is it just, I don't know. I rock with it though. It's crazy as hell. Like the reactions is crazy. It's a pink demon. Like it's crazy as hell. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to another lit vlog. And as y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see what we got going today. All right, y'all. So y'all see, you know what I'm saying? We in a big demon. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we are headed to the tattoo shop. It sound good, popping and shit. We right here by the oh my goodness, by the you know, like look, it ain't a tunnel. We on the bridge, but y'all know it make it echo. But yeah, man, this is the demon, my 2018 demon. I want to start out with the original demon just because it had the wide body kit on the front. And that's not the only reason though. A lot of people say that, but what is it? The 170 is a lot faster, but the only thing about that platform that I don't like is the wide body. Nah, just playing. Nah, for real though, it's a hard car, and I might still get one. I don't know, man. I just wanted to see what the Demon Life was about, bro. I never had a Challenger as fast as this. I had a Hellcat that was 800 horsepower, but I never had a Challenger that was 800 horsepower. So this is my first Challenger that needs gas. Not playing, but this is my first Challenger that is this powerful, bro. So I'm still getting used to it. I rock with it though. It's definitely faster than the Charger though, I will say that. Y'all hear that? Oh my gosh. But yeah, we I headed to the tattoo shop, man. Y'all make sure y'all get some tats with my boy, man. We finna pull up though. It sounds so good, bro. And you still can hear the whine. That's the crazy part about it. It sounds good. But yeah, man, we almost there. I gotta hit it for y'all one time just so y'all can hear it. But yeah, we almost there, man. As y'all see, I need some gas, so you know, I can't do too much. I'm gonna drop it down for y'all one time. I'm gonna hit it one time. Oh my goodness. The handling on here is superb too. I know it's a straight line car, but the handling is superb for sure. God dang, I'm doing all this. I need some gas. And this is in auto. This ain't even in that mode. It's auto. Shit crazy. For real. Yeah, when we get some gas, you know, we're gonna put that thing in that mode. We're gonna go in custom. Drag is crazy. It's intense, but it feel like it's strictly for dragging, you know? So, yeah. But yeah, man, we pulling up, man. Let's go ahead and get tatted, man. I'm bringing y'all with me, man, the whole day, man. I'm y'all substitute. I'm y'all chaperone. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, man. So y'all see, we just pulled up safe and sound. Y'all always remember, be safe, don't die. All right, but yeah. So yeah, man, it's a Demon key. You know what I'm saying? The big red key. You know what I'm saying? We got the cat. We got the track getting worked on. I'm really finna snap it. That's what y'all don't know. Like, we really going crazy. Like, it's real life, like a pink demon. But yeah, we are going crazy. Yeah, one time for the one time. So, like I said, the Hellcat has a new wrap as well. So I will be showing y'all that real soon, man. Y'all subscribe to the channel, man. If y'all haven't already, like, you know what I'm saying? This is where you're going to see the most real and authentic content, you know what I'm saying, with all the cars. We done been through a lot of cars. We done been through, like, 4 Hellcats, a Demon, Track Hawk, ZL1, GT500, 1,000 horsepower GT500, supercharged 900 horsepower Mustang. We're going to take it to the BMWs. We're going to go all over the place. But, yeah, so I'm looking for it right now. All right, y'all. So, like I told y'all, we was coming to go get tatted. Y'all see my boy.
Hey, it's your boy Ray ATL Cloud9. Your boy finna get right.
Yes, sir.
Cool. We got the stencil printed out. We finna get that bit put through the printer. We finna put some ink on it, bro. Skin.
So we finna hit the leg. So yeah, we finna hit the leg. We're gonna do love life, man.
You got any leg tats?
For sure. Nah, I ain't got none. You got some?
Hell yeah, man. I tapped out. I ain't gonna lie, down here this shit bite. I got my knee done. I got all this up here done.
Oh yeah, so he already got in the same spot.
This shit bite though. I ain't gonna lie. The shin. No sir.
So we're gonna do the first one, man. So yeah, like he said, man, we at Cloud9 Inc. So y'all make sure y'all tap in. I'm gonna drop his Instagram too right here so y'all can see that. Boom. So now y'all see that. So yeah, man, hit him up on IG. Make sure y'all follow his movement. You say you got YouTube too?
Yes, sir. Ray ATL on YouTube, Cloud9 Ray, and Cloud9 Inc. on Instagram.
Yes, sir. Got the drip on too. My boy got that shit on, man. So
hey,
y'all make sure.
One of mine. That boy brain go crazy.
See what I'm saying? This is what we're finna do. We're finna get the tat. And then after that, y'all know we're gonna do POV and the demon again. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and get that done. So let's go ahead and knock this out. Let's do it.
I ain't never been in a demon before. I can't lie. I ain't never been in a demon.
All right, y'all. So we just got tatted. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna also put the video in that he just recorded too, so y'all can see it better. But yeah, we just got tatted. My boy Cloud9 Inc. You know what I'm saying? My boy Ray. So now we finna go ahead and hop inside the demon. See what I'm saying? Yeah. Yes, sir. So we finna, you know what I'm saying, take it for a ride in the demon, man. Show my boy, you know what I'm saying, what the demon talking about. Yeah, I know. Big 800. Supercharged demon, man. Y'all know Dodge did their thing when they made this. This is the first demon. See what I'm saying? Man, what? See outside. Oh, she done got pooped on too.
Damn. This shit right here, that should be. I love that. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that shit crazy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I need to do a light up sign. What y'all think? A little light up SRT sign on there. We need that next.
Literally the day I told him my 300, I had my SRT badge that light up.
Damn, that's what I need.
Matter of fact, I literally got one.
Yeah, we might. I might have to get that.
Say SRT like that and it light up.
Yeah, we need that. I need that for sure.
You don't be getting fucked with for the tent?
They don't even. Yeah, they don't even be tweaking.
They gonna be digging in that tent.
Yeah.
They did hard. Y'all ready for a ride in the demon, man? Wait.
Here, go ahead and crank it up. Yeah, I'm gonna crank it up. Alright, y'all, so before we take my boy for a ride, you know what I'm saying, my boy Ray, we had to put gas in the demon, so gonna put some gas in the demon. You know what I'm saying? We got the pink demon, you know what I'm saying? This shit's so crazy, so.
You got those out here biting on me and shit.
So what you think about the pink? You think it was like right color, the craziest color?
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah.
The pink, perfect idea, bro. You perfect execution. 10 out of 10, I can't lie.
You see what I'm saying? So we had to go pink on the demon. I know y'all, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people be wondering why I keep doing pink. Pink is just crazy. Like, it just, you know what I'm saying? Like, how can you, yeah, that's what it is.
And the PPP loans just make it 10 times harder, bro.
Oh, yeah, I got to show them that.
Bro, that should make it 10 times.
So, yeah, I know we put PPP loan on the tag, you know what I'm saying? Just to go outrageous. Nobody ever did it before, so this is basically one of my dream cars, and now we have obtained it. So For those of you all that were ever wondering, just always remember that you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? With hard work and dedication and just sticking to it, man. Staying consistent, man. But yeah, we finna go on this ride, man, real quick. One time for the one time.
How much do it take to fill up a demon?
I ain't gonna lie, probably about
What you gonna guess? How much
probably
it take to fill up a
about
demon?
70.
70? That's it for a demon?
Yeah.
Bro, you can't have a demon and not be able to drive.
Man, what?
That's impossible.
And I done been through so many like fast cars, you know what I'm saying? That to the point where I done figured it all out, you know what I'm saying? I done been through some.
Learn your lesson with them motherfuckers.
Man, what? I done been through everything. Like,
was it a car you feel like you couldn't handle?
I ain't gonna lie.
I
The
know
only
a lot of
one.
drivers can't handle Mustangs.
Yeah, obviously, the only one that was really scary was the 1,000 horsepower Chevy.
Yeah.
I bet it was 1,000. Like, it was 1,000 and it felt like 1,000. You know what I'm saying? That bet used to.
1,000, I don't need to.
Yeah.
I need to touch nothing that fast.
Bro, that bet was.
I don't need to touch nothing that fast.
That bet was insane. Other than that, like, no other car really, like, you know what I'm saying,
What's
had
the
me
easiest to
questioning.
handle?
The easiest, I would say, for me, I would say the Hellcat Charger. You know what I'm saying? Just because, like, I'm so used to it. I done had, what, like 4 Chargers, I think? I done had, like, 4 Chargers. Like,
You done had a lot of cars.
Yeah.
5 Mustangs, 4 Chargers.
mm-hmm.
Damn. Camaro, Demon, Tricol.
Yep, the
Damn.
Camaro. Oh, I ain't gonna count. The Camaro was the easiest.
The easiest?
Yeah,
I heard that.
Yeah, Camaro was the easiest. That
What
handling
slide
was
is that
superb.
Yeah, I'm tweaking.
Man, that bit hard, too.
Hell yeah.
You gotta get that on the Lord. That bitch
Race
hard.
that nigga.
That bitch is
Yo,
hard.
what are you doing?
Damn,
What are you doing? The light green. What are you doing?
Bro. Yeah.
McLeese.
Damn. Shit hard.
Hey, well, I'll take a Demon over a McLaren, though.
Yeah.
I'll take
All
a
day.
Demon over a McLaren. You ain't
All
even
day.
gotta- God, oh, we finna hit the highway, bro.
Yeah, you ain't even gotta ask me. I'm taking that all day.
Of course.
Yeah, you feel it? That bitch still be.
God. Yo.
That bitch really do be pulling. On the track, you ain't gotta worry about spinning. You ain't gotta worry about none of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it just take off. It whine. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just love it. You know what I'm saying?
Try
Like,
that more?
yeah, hell yeah. Hey, the track, I be putting miles on it. I ain't gonna lie.
You got an actual exhaust on.
Nah, I got a straight fight.
Yeah.
And I cut the cats.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
Hit the tunnel.
That bitch spinning, good. What's the
Yeah.
highest miles per hour it spin at? 'Cause
I
when
ain't
you go
gonna
like
lie.
60, that
Yeah.
bitch is spinning.
Yeah, that bitch was spinning at 60. I ain't gonna count.
Damn, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, that shit does hit. Is the mall off this exit?
The mall, yeah.
Yeah, let's pull past that. See what them folks talking about. Go in second gear. Yeah, that bitch be pulling.
What the fuck, bro? This shit ain't legal, bro. This shit can't be legal, bro.
Man, that's the same thing I said. I ain't gonna cap. Man, what?
This car's a young black man, bro.
And this is stock. Stock, by the way.
Stock.
Like,
You don't even need to
100%
modify
stock.
That bitch spinning at 60. I don't get why a nigga need to modify these. We already going fast as fuck. Yo.
Waking up everybody.
Yo, better not be sleeping right now.
Man, what?
You be waking up the whole neighborhood. Oh, God.
But I ain't gonna cap. I think this like one of the loudest cars I done had, for real.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is one of the loudest cars that I had.
Wow. Oh, you gonna go headers?
Yeah, long tube headers. I'm gonna make this bitch scream.
You gonna tune it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
What, like flame kit tune or more like?
Bro, I kind of want to do like, see that shit? That shit popping. Like that shit's already popping.
Already. You throw a tune on that bitch.
Bro, it's gonna be, boy, it's
Like
gonna
gunshots.
be. Let's see.
Today we finna be scaring old folks with the demon.
Man, what?
Scaring the baby with the demon.
I swear I be scaring the hell out of people, boy. All the time.
What are you doing?
Man, what? It definitely be the kids all the time. Yeah.
He said, only girl ever sold it, drive.
Yeah, little kids, but they be loving that shit. I ain't gonna cap. Man, little blue C8, man.
Bro, get that.
Man, what? It's
That'd be hard.
yeah, that is clean. Damn.
You manifesting it right now?
Man, what? C8Z06, man, for sure.
I'll have that real
Always,
soon.
always manifesting. I ain't gonna cap.
Alright, look, Pete.
Man, that shit. He just got that too.
Hell yeah, straight out the lot.
Yes, sir.
Drop top.
Yeah, that bitch is I ain't gonna cap.
Supercharger.
Yeah. Oh, here come another tunnel. It's tunnel boy. That's it.
That bitch crazy, I ain't gonna lie. That bitch is crazy. Hell yeah. Are you finna hit this exit over here?
Okay.
When do you? Is it
This shit sound like a video game.
Oh, God.
That's
How do
it.
you explain it? A baby crying.
Man, what? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, can we go over here?
Yeah,
I think we can.
I hear that demon. She talking to us right now.
Man, that shit popping.
She talking to us. Try my best to be as different from everybody as possible.
Exactly.
Y'all be trying to follow trends. I try to start trends. That's the difference between us.
No
And
cap.
That's why certain people get to where they at, because that's what they pursue, them trends, rather than following them.
Exactly.
And if I do follow it, I'm gonna do it in the right way. I promise. It's
Exactly.
gonna be the right way. The right way and the right way.
Exactly. You gotta start the wave. Don't ride it. Start it. You
Saying.
know what I'm saying? For real. Start the wave, man.
Start the way. Don't ride it, nigga.
No cap.
Slogan right there.
No cap. Man, what? That bitch really like, you know what I'm saying? It's an aggressive ass car, bro.
Bit too aggressive.
That bitch is so aggressive.
So
like,
aggressive for Ray. Hey, I'm gonna have to wait till I'm like 25 to get a demon. I can't get no demon before 25.
bro,
My
this
dude
shit.
might not have a demon no more.
Man, what? I don't know. I don't know what I would have did with this car if I would have got this car at like 18, 19. You know what I'm saying? I just don't know.
Trackhawk at 19. That shit crazy.
Yes, sir.
That shit crazy.
And
Do it,
the
bro.
track is perfect though, bro. Cause like I said, you know what I'm saying, it makes you be
I
responsible.
was waiting for that moment.
Oh, we just
Yeah,
pulled up
perfect
too.
timing,
Perfect
too.
timing.
God.
But yeah, my boy just ran out of footage. Y'all see, we got some crazy shit going today, man. We got tatted. So y'all make sure y'all go see my boy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, like that's what's going on, man. We pulled up Pink Demon.
But you gotta make sure y'all tell me what Cloud I need. Ray ATL.
Yes, sir.
Say, I appreciate you.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I didn't even notice that you were at the market, so.
Yeah, hell yeah. And I got the little the eye.
Oh yeah.
I need to change the color to pink.
Oh, that been light up.
Yeah, yeah.
Hell
I got the remote in there. It look crazy at night. It look crazy.
Hey, be safe. Appreciate
Oh, yeah.
you, man. Let me know how that hit look.
For sure. Appreciate it, Brody.